How y'all doing? YouTube video. This is another video about this 1990 Cadillac. Um, I'm going to be cold starting it, but that's probably going to become just a little bit later. I'm going to take a quick tour around this car real quick. But before I cold start the car, I'm going to roll up my sleeves. I'm going to check the fluids. I'm going to check the transmission. I'm also going to check the coolant and the oil. Obviously, you don't always have to do that, but I just do it because, I mean, it's an older vehicle, and get this door shut right there. Anyways, before I do anything, I'm going to pop this hood open, and I'm going to show a few things, and I'm actually going to be learning, because I don't think I've checked the transmission fluid in this car yet, so this is going to be quite a learning experience, so stay tuned. I'm going to pop the hood, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are, checking the coolant. Try to, whoops. The hood doesn't exactly hold itself up, so let me find something real quick, and we'll continue on video number 2. So, kind of have to watch your fingers with these hoods. The shocks have gone out, so that's something I'll have to fix as well too. So, just hang with me for a second. We'll pick this up on the next shoot. Continued video number 2. I found something to open up this hood right here. So, coolant is looking pretty good. So we'll just go ahead and pop this cap on. That's what I'm using to hold this hood up. Now that I almost got my fingers smashed. Wow. So, anyways, I think we're going to check the oil next. And I'll just put this camera right there. And looks like I got a little helper right here too to help me out. What's going on, Colonel? Well, I don't, maybe he's not interested. Okay. Well, anyways, we'll, whoops. Fix this camera real quick. There we go. And check the wall. Okay. Oil looks like on the full range. And kind of see that right here. It's definitely going to need to be changed. So, looks pretty good. Oil is looking pretty good. It's definitely need for a change. Next is transmission fluid. Make sure I don't get any on my sleeve. Oh, well, I better show that before I wipe it. So transmission fluid looks great. But actually, you're supposed to start it and check it, so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started up. Whew. And this should be interesting because this car has not been started in a while. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and fire this puppy up. Keys are always good, by the way. It's about time. Wow. Okay, so after a little bit, I finally got this car running. It just takes a little bit. The idle's a little bit low, so this thing just has to warm up and stuff. But man, once you get it going, it starts running nice. Take a tour. Here's the inside of my vehicle right here. It's cleaned up. Leather could use a little work. Back door doesn't exactly work, so I have to open it manually. The back seats. I gotta say, the seats look pretty good for a town. The light's not all that good, so let me see if I can get a better light here. Oh, the light's horrible. Okay. Tour of the inside. Back here, see, this thing has no smoke, no blue smoke, no white smoke. Just running normal, run beautifully. Sounds good too. This side just looks beautiful. This headlight cap right there needs to be replaced. So I'll probably be doing that hopefully next spring. A little bit of a ding right there. Need to get a new trim and new skirt replaced. I'll probably be looking for that here shortly. The hubcaps look beautiful because I ran this thing through the wash. So I'm going to go ahead and get an exhaust clip real quick. I'm going to try to... And actually, we're going to make that video number 3. So we picked this up on video number 3. There's Colonel Mustard. I think he'll be quite impressed. Yes. Gotta say, that is my favorite part of all these videos, is being able to rev this thing up. So this is part 3. Thank you for watching. Pretty soon I'm gonna be shooting another one where we're gonna be taking a cruise, so very excited about this one as well too. Thank you for watching.